sky. Another lonely night, waiting for the sun to rise in your eyes. Looking out the window, weather's getting cold. Another rainy day forecast, or so I'm told. Gray colors fading now, I'm lost in doubt.
Calendar tells me it's been way too long since I heard your voice, like a favorite song.
Tick-tock counting every second, every line, wishing I could just press rewind.
Next time, whenever that may be, will you be standing there waiting for me?
Tomorrow's rain again, another gray sky. When can we meet again? Tell me why, tell me why.
Tomorrow's rain, missing you so bad. Everything we had, it's making me sad.
But I'll hold my umbrella, waiting for the blue, until the day I'm back with you. Let's go. Yeah, rain on the roof, beat like a drum. Thinking about the days when we used to have fun. Distance is a test, yeah, I know the drill, but this empty space is a lot to fill. Checking my phone, no notifications, stuck in this waiting station. Maybe the rain is just washing the pain, so we can start over again. Yeah, sing.